Good morning and welcome to another episode of Speak a Bikkie Soaps. As you know it now, Cernal product info session. As always, myself Stefan here with Ogrote to my right. How are you, Daniel? Firstly, before we get into it,
Stefan.
Good. I'm glad. I'm almost as glad as a client would be when he uses a salt in his kitchen for greasy areas.
Yes, Stefan. So a salt is a heavy-duty liquid detergent, which is there to be made in to clean the food industry. Mm-hmm. So it is safe to use in your kitchens and all that. For floors, walls, etc. Let's say it's a heavy liquid detergent for anything that a dishwash or a normal soap cannot clean. You go to a salt, and it is high foaming as well. So if there's a stain or a blood stain, and so butcheries they use a salt quite for the fatty and all that cleaning there, or blood stains on the floor and that. A salt is the way to go. It salts the stains.
So it doesn't only clean the stains, it also removes the let's call it the baked on fats, as well as your protein fats when it comes to meat and stuff. So
yes,
it removes and cleans.
Yes.
Okay, that's awesome. Also available in 25 and
25 liter and 5 liter, and we do bulk.
Okay, as with all the products,
200 liter and up.
The safety precautions, Daniel, when it comes to a salt?
I would say it is actually not a corrosive product, so I would say use gloves when you use a salt. It will cause a bit of a skin irritation if you do get it on your skin, as I've experienced myself. So, yeah.
Okay. And all the as always, the cleaning equipment is also available. Everything, every surface, every stain, every cleaning, let's call it system, needs a specific equipment. I mean, you can't wash interlocks with a soft mop.
No.
So all the equipment also available from Lappies all the way up to hard brooms
and gloves as well. And
your gloves, your safety equipment as well. And we are going to a quick demonstration video at the end. Have a look, see how a salt assaults the bloodstains and the baked on fats. Thank you, Daniel. That's a salt. Use it, love it, and keep clean.
Cernal chemicals, kitchen laundry house. Cernal chemicals, chemicals you can trust.